So as you can see, I have here different ornamental plants at home. So you can see the prayer plants here, a snake plant, and others. So in this side also, we have here welcome plants and different plants here. I also planted blue tea, one of the medicine plant, and oregano. Look at the picture on your screen. Identify the word corresponding to the picture. In your module, write your answer to this question by filling in the table below. Why do people go into ornamental gardening instead of raising food like vegetables, which are more important for survival? The following are some of the reasons. Samahan nyo ako at mag-garden tayo ngayon dito. There are different kinds of ornamental gardens. The following are the kinds of ornamental gardens. Have you heard the popular dish garden which originated in Japan? On a round or rectangular ceramic dish, a mini garden scenario is created complete with accessories like rocks, stones, moss, small plants, and figurines. This is called the container garden. It consists of ornamental plants grown in containers like earthenwares, dishes, pots, clays, rubber or plastic boxes, and recyclable cans. The other one is formal flower garden. This consists of flower beds laid out in balanced and regular arrangements. The edges of the beds are straight or perfectly rounded. This is achieved by pruning the plant regularly. This type of garden gives an impression of neatness and orderliness and beauty. We also have informal flower garden. This consists of beds of flowers arranged in a casual and irregular manner. Beds may be uneven curved, and each may have several kinds of flowers in different sizes and shapes. This type of garden is relatively inexpensive and easy to maintain. The common types of plants for this garden includes San Francisco, peanut grass, water plants, palmera, yellow bells, Chinese hollies, calachuchi, mayana, gumamela, and many others. We also have rock garden. This is a very popular type of garden commonly found in front of houses, commercial buildings, resorts, hotels, condominiums, and the like. It is a combination of rock and plants arranged to create a theme or a scenario. There are many rocks that are interesting to use. They come in different colors, red, gray, and brown, textures, rough or smooth, the sizes as big as boulders and as small as pebbles. Rocks can be arranged in groups or they can be interspread with different plants in between. A rock garden with a water fountain that lights up at night is a beauty to behold. How about water garden? This is a body of water, usually a pool or a man-made pond, in which plants that give or that lives in water are grown. People who have natural body of water in their property uses it to create a water garden, while some have to build an artificial pond which can be expensive. A completed water garden also needs care and maintenance, especially when the water becomes muddy or cloudy and the plants need replacement. And lastly, we have wildflower garden. This type made up of native wildflowers which are inexpensive and easy to grow. Many people dig wildflowers or collect the seeds in the countryside for their garden. These flowers also have seeds that can be bought. There are some popular household ornamental plants. two types of outdoor gardens. These are the ornamental garden and the vegetable garden. Ornamental gardens have plants that are used to beautify homes, gardens, parks, and surrounding areas. People plant ornamental plants for the following reason. First, to beautify their homes and yards. Second, to serve as a form of exercise and relaxation. And lastly, to bring pleasure by seeing the plants grow.